Guys, I am Dharmie Larry and I will be visiting one of the wonderful waterfall in Nigeria today at Niger State, the Gurara Waterfall. So let us go and experience this wonder in nature. Bye guys. Welcome to Gurara Waterfall!
Gurara Waterfall is located in Gurara, a local government area of Niger State, north central Nigeria. The waterfall is approximately 30 meters in height and it lies on the Gurara River along the Suleja-Minna Road. According to history, Gurara Waterfall was discovered by a Gwari hunter called Buba in 1745 before some Europeans discovered it in 1925 after they found it as a recreation center. Before the discovery of the waterfall by the Europeans, Gurara Waterfall was worshipped by people living in communities around it. History also has it that Gurara Waterfall and Gurara River were named after two deities called Gura and Rara.
Yeah guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and drop your comment. The like button is there as well. See you next time and stay updated for more of my travel videos.